Welcome to Baby Boy Mulligan's Guitars, Mods, and Music. And today, you'll notice there's something over there in my chair. My name's Tim, and I got a BBM studio sign from my girl. This thing is really nice from what she showed me. I did slit open the top of that box, that packaging, because it was really hard. I just checked one spot to see, so I wanted to save some time on the video, and I sliced the top off. So we're gonna go unbox it because it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. So I'm thinking over in that corner, I'm gonna have to reorganize and move, I think, the guitar up to the left and the Live, Love, Sing down to the right a little bit more. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's get to it. Oh, I'm going to need to cut some of this other stuff out. And there's stuff holding it in. There's some masking tape holding it in. There's some masking tape holding it in the bottom too. This was kind of weird. This was kind of just like hanging over, I guess, to protect the one corner. I don't know. But this thing is packed thick. It's got 2 layers of foam. Now, she got this on Temu, so I'm really going to be surprised to see what the quality is. Corners a little bit here. Make it easier to get out. This is going to be fun. All right, here we go. So we got stuff all the way around this. Oh, I think that might have done it. Oh no, we got one here too. Check that out. That is huge. Compared to me. Let me put it on the white so you can see it. So that's definitely got to go in the center over there where the guitar and the Live, Love, Sing are. So this will go there, and then I'll put one up on each side and make it like here, here, and then down in the corner. Because I'm out of room on all the other walls. There's nowhere in here to put anything. That thing is really beautiful. So, yeah, the only other wall I have is over here, and I'm putting up these signs over there that I had made. So that is going to be the spot for it. back up here. Excuse me while I'm off camera. Man, that thing is nice, isn't it? BBM's Studio. And it's even got the apostrophe. I know you can get these in different sizes. I didn't think it was going to be the maximum size. I know this thing was not cheap. It was like, I think somewhere around the $100 because I was looking at these. And, they're like $10, 20 something bucks, $50, depending on the size. There's one that's like a little bit smaller than this and a little bit smaller than there's one about that big. That is really nice. So I just wanted to share that with her, unboxing it, and letting her see how excited I was, and also letting you guys see the cool thing that I got. So thanks for watching Baby Boy Mulligan's Guitars, Mods, and Music. And I do have a couple of videos coming up this week. I've got one actually in tribute to Ace Frehley. So check that out. Be out in a few days. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on Baby Boy Mulligan's Guitars, Mods, and Music.